In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Every now and then, there are certain negative, immoral things we come across. Every now and then, even if at all we are sitting in our bedroom and our cell phone is in front of us, our smartphone is keeping us busy. Not only this thing, even let's go into the even smaller or the smallest ever circle. That is what we are thinking. What we are thinking. Whatever we are thinking, whatever we are listening, whatever we are watching, whatever we are doing, whatever we are eating or drinking, whatever sort of people we are meeting, we are interacting with, if it is negative, if it is negative, then we do have to suffer. We cannot protect ourselves. It is not possible to protect ourselves. If at all we are indulging in a negative activity, in an immoral activity, it is next to impossible that we will be safe, immunized from the exempted from the negative effects, from the harmful effects of this activity. Not possible. Not possible. Impossible. Now, we are found often busy in the things, off and on at least, if not every now and then. We are found indulging in the negative activities, in the immoral activities. The trouble is that there are many of the immoral activities and we don't consider it as something which is immoral, something which is unethical, something which is not honest, something which is not fair, something which is not right. We do indulge in activities like this one. Some of these are just seeing, listening, thinking. It is impossible that we will be able to protect ourselves, immunize ourselves, exempt ourselves from the harmful, from the negative, from the troublesome effects of this activity. And the more we do indulge in it, the more we do indulge in it, the deeper we go, the more punishable it becomes. Whether the words succeed in punishing us or not, but it is not possible that we shall be able to protect ourselves from the negative and harmful effects of that particular negative activity. Likewise, if at all there are positive activities and we are of the view that I don't have to participate in it, I don't have to share it, I don't have to be a part of it, I don't have to be a part of it. Why? Because apparently there is no benefit in it. Apparently there is no benefit in it for me. Here too, it is not possible, it is not possible that a positive activity, no matter how small it is, no matter how big it is, no matter by whom it is started, no matter whether we are just participating in it or we are the beginner of it, it will benefit us directly or indirectly. Now or then, it will definitely benefit us. The bigger our role in this positivity is, the bigger will be the benefit coming out of that. The bigger our role in it, the bigger will be the benefit of it. Hence, I think It must be considered an opportunity, a very right, a very good, a very necessary, a very useful opportunity to participate in a positive activity. Never ever miss a positive activity. We must always have the time. We must always have the energy. We must always have the resources. We must always have the will to participate in a positive activity. Never ever let your ego, never ever let your being a shirker, never ever let yourself, let your prejudices to become a hurdle, to become a wall between you and a positive activity. Because positive activity is the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If at all we want to be blessed, if at all we want to be blessed, we must participate in it. We must not miss this opportunity, because missing this opportunity will be like being our own enemy. And participating in a negative, in an unethical, in an immoral activity will be again like being our own worst enemy. We must not be our enemy. We must be our own best friend. We must be our own best friend. We must be our own. We must try to take the things into our own hands. We must take responsibility, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this life as an opportunity to us, and this opportunity has been given to us once and once only. Once it is gone, once it is out of our hands, it will never ever come back to us. So for that reason, missing this opportunity will be like missing a train, will be like missing a flight. We must not be miss a flight, a train which takes us to the right destination, which contributes us positively, constructively towards taking us toward our direction, towards our destination. So this must be made as the rule number one in our life, that we shall never ever participate in a negative, in an immoral or unethical activity, no matter how safe it seems. No matter how safe it seems apparently, because there are troubles and there are losses and there are pains and there are punishments hidden inside it. We don't know when shall we will be held accountable. On the other hand, if there is a positive activity and apparently there is no benefit in availing this opportunity, in participating in this activity, then let me assure you that sooner or later we shall be rewarded. We shall be rewarded by whom? None other than by the creator of this world. So I think so. I think so that we must participate in any positive activity, whether there is an apparently benefit lying in it or not. It is only the matter of our own vision. It is only the matter of our own horizon, whether we do succeed in understanding the negative effects of a negative activity and the positive effects of a positive activity. Thank you. Jazakallah.